So it's Monday. Guess where I am? I'm not in Minneapolis. I am in Milwaukee. Why am I in Milwaukee? Because Midwest DJs Live 2022 is happening. Yeah, and if you have a ticket, I'm going to see you today. But if I don't, I won't see you. But if you have a ticket, I'll see you. You know something? It's been a long day. Just leave me alone. And it hasn't even started yet. Now, I am one of the sponsors here, and I'm going to be set up here in the showroom floor, which I'm giving you a little thing here, right? Okay, I'm right next to Photo Booth Expo's booth. Looks like I'm going to be sharing space with him. We're across from Bose and Perfect Portals. They're going to be here. We've got Max Design, Pioneer, DJ Event Planner, one of the great organizers for you if you want to have a web-based event management software, and one of my great sponsors. We got Promo Only, another one of my great sponsors. If you don't know about My Wedding Songs, they're another great company as well. Booth Masters are here. Electro Voice is here. And Alexa's here. I mean, everybody's here. And they've got some of the greatest speakers I've seen in a very long time. This is a conference, if you haven't been to, that you really should be, because they work really hard to be sure they bring some of the best talent, some of the best presenters, some of the best education, and they bring them here right into the heart of flyover country in Milwaukee. Normally, people are saying, well, we got to go to Las Vegas for that. We got to go to Atlantic City for that. We got to go down to Miami for that. Okay, cool cities. But here, first of all, Midwest DJs Live is a nonprofit organization, and they are committed to the education of the DJ industry. So, number one, amazing. Number two, just the quality of stuff that they do here is just incredible. I have had the honor to speak here a couple of times, and I have the honor now to be able to do a couple of workshops while I'm here. I just did a couple this morning, or rather yesterday, and then now on Wednesday I'm going to be here one more day to do a couple more. So if you're within driving distance, want to be a part of it, you certainly may do that. At the very least, I hope I see you here today as the show gets started very, very soon here at Midwest DJs Live in Milwaukee. Until I see you next time, this is Bill, this is Creative License, and see you next week.